I am Tanmay from 8th standard. Today our activity is resources and types of resources. Resources. All materials available in our environment which satisfy our needs are called resources. Examples: land, soil, water, plants, etc. Types of resources. There are three types of resources: natural resource, human-made resource, human resource. Now my friend Sagarika will explain about natural resource.
Good morning to one and all. I am Savrika from 8th standard. Today I am going to explain about natural resources. The resources which are drawn from nature and used without much modification is known as natural resources. The natural resources are also called as gifts of nature. Examples: water, sunlight, forest, air, soil, rocks, oil, minerals. Types of natural resources. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Now my friend Tanmay will explain about types of natural resources.
Types of natural resources. Renewable resource. Renewable resource can be used without any risk of its ending up because they exist in unlimited quantity. Examples: plants, water, soil, solar wind energy, etc. Non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resource is one which is present in limited quantity. Examples: minerals, fossil fuels, petrol, coal, etc. Thank you.